All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XRP family. Appreciate you guys as always. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with XRP's price right now, and of course, what we could be expecting going into Friday morning. Looking across the board again, we are seeing a bloodbath. Nothing too crazy in my opinion, minor pullback. And that is due to exactly what caused the minor pullback at the beginning of the week. That exactly is happening right now. But as far as XRP is concerned, down 4.3% over the course of the last few hours. If you're looking at the last 1 hour specifically, you are seeing the market trending in green, which of course is nice. So fingers crossed. Hopefully this momentum carries on into Friday morning. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So now XRP is currently sitting at $2.32, down 4.5% in USD, down 4.4% in Bitcoin comparative, market cap at $132.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 10 billion. But yeah, going to share some things with you guys, starting off with this. So one day ago, I asked you guys, the community members, if you could only pick one coin if you could only pick one coin for the next 12 months, what would it be? 4,100 votes, have come in. Shout out to you guys, of course. If you don't want to miss these votes, hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I, do these polls. So you can see 4,100 people voted. Number one was none other than XRP, up 60%. So 60% of these 4,100 votes are thinking, XRP is, the most bullish out of these three listed. But of course, I do always leave, the other option, which of course is comment below, which is 17%, 198, comments coming in for that as well. But quite interesting to see. You can really see, the momentum that XRP currently has is something we haven't seen for a year. So that is nice to see. But yeah, look at this. ETF flows around 71,450 Ethereum and 5,900 Bitcoin were bought on December the 12th. So Ethereum ETF flows are still coming in at $273.7 million to be exact. And moving forward, ETF flows, BlackRock's IBIT bought $430.7 million worth of Bitcoin on December the 12th. The big money is coming in, and they're coming in day by day. But look at this, as stablecoins, remember the stablecoin news, there's some big news coming out from Ripple, the RLUSD stablecoin. Obviously, still no official announcement when it's going to be listed on the partner exchanges, but you could see, Chad's reminding Mika incoming, RLUSD is compliant. And if you've been watching my videos, I said, the fact that RLUSD is compliant, this will be a huge deal for it to take a major amounts of the market share for, the stablecoin market. And you can see this for yourself. This is, based on the latest information, we currently expect we will have to restrict services for the following asset: USDT, PAX, PYUSD, GUSD, GYN, and DAI. So of course, remember these stable coins are not regulated, and regulation is coming towards crypto. People are not even sure if reserves exist. And I'm not even really sure about the other ones because I haven't really taken a look at that. But if you focus on USDT, they print USDT like it's nothing. They're just minting USDT like out of thin air. So that really makes me question, do they really have that much in reserve? Again, no one really knows, but there's a lot of big red flags. And I think this is where RLUSD can shine big time. But moving forward, good reminder from Smoke, of course, back in July, you could see XRP is the most used currency on the ledger. So XRPL ledger is what Smoke's referring to. Therefore, when it comes to whether it's going to be used or not, the data overwhelming suggest that it is the default currency used for payments on the XRPL ledger. And are we really going to discuss that? If you really dig deep into the XRPL ledger, the native token XRP is used for liquidity purposes. So it's going to have a focal, play to have this system pretty much running in a good way. And of course, as more institutional adoption comes towards the XRPL ledger, I think this could help not just, of course, the XRPL ledger, but also the native token, which is XRP. But again, one step at a time. But let's take a look at the price. So of course, if you're looking at the dominance index, you can see this for yourself. Dominance index went from literally 56.1% up to 56.56% over the course of the last few hours, while Bitcoin decided to say, you know what, let's kind of revisit, below $100,000 briefly. And that's exactly what we're looking at. Bitcoin hasn't seen a major drop, just a brief pullback below $100,000, which of course is impacting, the altcoin market, including XRP. But I want you guys to focus on the XRP's price, of course, on the hourly time frame. So if you're looking at the price of XRP right now, guess where we're ranging? We're ranging still in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Yes, we have not retested the 23.6 Fib zone. We did come and stop around the $2.45. Remember, there is major resistance around that range, and I don't think we would have even retested the likes of the $2.31 if it wasn't for the dominance picking up the way it did over the past few hours. So that kind of sums it up why we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, but we have significant amount of support around this range. Speaking about significant support, I would say the major support is around the $2.23. So if this does not hold, we could retest $2.23, but hopefully tomorrow morning you do see Bitcoin making its way back above 100K, but you want to be focusing very closely on the dominance. You want to see the dominance pulling down, but ETH inflows are still high, so I am not worried about that. I still do believe altcoin season is not over yet. I think we're going to see altcoin season carrying till the end of the year, but one step at a time. But so far so good. You cannot be ignoring the way XRP is holding. Just a quick reminder, if you picked up XRP on the 10th, you are still up 21% after a retracement. So far so good. One step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.